Here are some tips for dropshipping on Shopify. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific niche that you are passionate about and that has a high demand in the market. This will help you target your audience more effectively and increase your chances of success. Research suppliers. Find reputable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices. Use platforms like CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress to search for suppliers and compare prices. Optimize your website. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, has a professional design, and is mobile friendly. Use high-quality images and product descriptions to showcase your products and attract customers. Offer free shipping. Consider offering free shipping to your customers to increase your sales and improve your customer satisfaction. Use social media. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to promote your products and engage with your audience. Focus on customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base and